on Bass Creek. Bradley, why don't you tell us a little bit about this boat? What kind of setup we running today?
All right, so we got a 1995 35-foot Fountain Lightning with a single-stepped hull.
Bradley Gray on Bass Creek. Bradley, why don't you tell us a little bit about this boat?
All right, so we're sitting on a 1995 35-foot Lightning, single-stepped hull. It's got two V8 naturally aspirated engines in it. They're fully built engines by Chris Bowers of Bowers Performance in Washington, North Carolina. We dynoed the engines at $675 a piece. That was with the factory manifolds. We put headers on them. We're assuming that she's shooting around 700 horsepower a piece to the engines. We got Bravo outdrives with 2-inch shorties. We're shooting twin 5-blade, 29-pitch hydromotive blades that roughly push this boat around 98 miles per hour. It will not top 100, but I'm sure with some give and take here and there, you can probably pop 100 with some small upgrades. But yeah, great boat. All the gauges are brand new, Lavorsi gauges. The whole entire boat's been painted from the rub rail up. We did the bow delete kit. Took the bow rails out. All the upholstery's brand new. You got C-decks brand new. You got the Fountain logos. You got the Fountain logos on the back with the C-deck on the back of the boat. The upholstery's new. Just a really good, solid boat.
And this boat is for sale, correct?
That is correct.
And where's it located?
So it's in Greenville, North Carolina, for sale, and it'll be on our website at Gray Point Automotive.
All right. And what are you listing this boat at for sale?
We're going to list it at around $75,000.
All right. And if we want to purchase this boat, who do we contact? So we're going to contact you at graypointautomotive.com?
That's right. You got it.
All right. Well, we're going to try and run this boat today. The weather conditions aren't really in our favor. We got a little bit of wind. We're going to see what this boat can do today, so we apologize for any of the wind noise in the video. We're going to try our best.
Cruising at about right now. So we're cruising about 40 miles an hour at around 3,000 RPMs. This is about perfect cruising. I mean, you can cruise 50, 60, and if you want to haul ass, you can go 90. So it just all depends on what kind of mood you're in. Alright, we're getting ready to do a little thing we call threading the needle. For all you safety queens out there, put your comments below. We'd love to hear them.